What you gonna do, eh? You meowing, aren't you? Oh, Kitty wants to be your friend. Oh, Kitty wants to be your friend. Aw, I'm gonna be his friend. Oh, he says, I don't know what this is. So you gonna let this cat just walk all over you like that? Look at how sweet he is. He's got a sweet face. Oops, camera's way out of focus. No. You know, basically Bentley's ignoring it. Bentley, look at Mommy. You couldn't be more bored. It doesn't even bother you. Look at that. You know what it is. He knows it's not a cat. There's a bucket of bolts, isn't it? As cute as it is, you know it's not a cat. It's bored. It is very irritating the way it meows. It walks like one step. Proof positive that he's bored. He just yawned and he's ignoring it. Doesn't even want to smell it. Oh, listen to him. He wants to be friends. He's not backing down, though. You see, the kitty keeps taking one step and one step and one step. This is hilarious. You're not licking him, are you? Are you licking it? Good grief. You're not licking that cat, are you? A fake cat? Oh. No, he's not so sure. Oh. He says, what is that thing? This is my rug. Look at that. Bentley. He's not even really mildly interested. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. Look at that, your poor kitty friend. He can't even walk. Yeah, he's trying to be friends, Bentley. He's trying. Bentley's having none of it. Bentley won't even be moved. Are you waiting for that kitty to go away? Look how sweet he is. He's darling. Is he going to purr pretty soon? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, that's better. Are you going to play with him? Yeah, you play with him. Yeah. I think he's a little pissed off at me. But you know that's not a real cat. You're way too smart for that.